Namaste children, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Welcome to today's session beta. Today I am going to start new chapter which is data handling. Which is data handling. See, last class we learned about decimals. What are the decimals? And how we can write figures to words and words to figures. And how we can apply the operations on decimals like addition, subtraction, multiplication. This all we learned in previous chapter which is decimals. And today class let's see about data handling. See what is mean by data here? Data is nothing but information. Data means what beta? Sir, data means it is information. Data is nothing but information. Sir, what is mean by handling? Handling is nothing but will arrange in a systematic order. Will arrange in a systematic order. Handling is nothing but arrangement of data. Yes, arrangement of data. So in this chapter we are going to learn what is mean by information, what is mean by data, and also we are going to learn how we can arrange the data in a systematic order. What are the different ways we have to arrange the data in a systematic order. Let's see one example here, and we can see the register. Your class teacher will take the attendance daily in the morning. Yes, they will maintain the register, and if you see there in the register we have some information. Sir, what information is there? Suppose in my class 40 students are there. In my register I can see the name of the 40 students, and also I can see when they are present or not on that particular date. So here I can see some information. In register we can see some information, and in the register your class teacher will write the names in a systematic order. She will write, suppose she will separate boys separate, girls separate. In boys also she will write the names like alphabet order. First she will write the name start with A, Arun, then B, Bhaskar, like that. So she will arrange the names in systematic arrangement. Boys separate, girls separate, in that again alphabet order. So when she will arrange in a systematic order. If you arrange the data, if you arrange the information in a systematic order, it is easy to understand. Suppose I written systematic order like boys separate, girls separate, and all I wrote alphabet order. Suppose if I want to know the information about one particular child called Virender boy, I can search only in boy's name. V, but I can search from bottom onwards. Like that, it is easy to understand the information, and we can get the information of particular child easily without any confusion. So that is the importance of arrangement of data. So we can arrange the information in a systematic order. So that arrangement gives you easier to understand that particular information. You can see some examples are there here. How many benches are needed for your class? How many benches are required? I want to take some decision here. I want to take some decision. How many benches are required for class 6th B students? How can I answer this? To answer this, first I want to collect some information. Sir, what information we need to collect? Yes, to take the decision about this, we need to collect first how many students are there. How many students are there in that particular class? Then, and also I need to collect how many students can fit in each bench. How many students can fit in each bench? If I collect that information, we can take the decision. 6th B, so and so benches are required. So here we need to collect the information, and if you observe here clearly, we are collecting the information to take the decision. So that information will help us to take the decision. It will give you some conclusion for us. So that is the importance of collecting the information. Once if we collect the information, it will give you some, it will help us to take some decisions. Now to take this decision, if you want to take the decision about how many benches are required for 6th B students, we need to collect how many students are there in the class and how many students can fit in each bench. If you collect this information, we'll take this decision. And you can see one more. How many students are secured above 80% marks in your class? To take this decision, I mean to get this answer, to take the conclusion here, we need to collect some information. What information we need to collect? Yes, we need to collect marks list of that particular class. Marks list of that particular class. If I know the marks list, from there I can say how many they secured. 80%, above 80%. Yes, hope it is clear to all. Data is nothing but information. In this chapter, we are going to learn how to arrange the data in a systematic order. And here, next, you may get the doubt. Sir, why we need to collect the information? What is the importance of collecting information? If you collect the information which help us to take some decisions, I mean to take some conclusion, it will help us. And if you see at your home, some government people will come and they will write all your details, and they will check how many employees are there in your family, what is your income, and how many kids are there, how many young people are there. They will note down all the points. Why they are collecting that information? They will collect that information and they will maintain a record. Yes, based on that, government will take some decisions, like which type of schemes they want to provide to help the society. Based on that information, suppose there is no employees in that, yes, we need to provide some employment. Like that, government will take some decisions. So like that, it will help. Yes, children, you can see here data definition. You can see better. Data is nothing but, as I said, is information. Information which is in the form of numbers or words. Suppose marks of 6th B students 35, 40, 50, 24 in terms of numbers. Names of 6th B students Atmika, Arun in terms of words. So information is in terms of numbers or maybe in terms of words, and helps in taking the decisions is called data. We can see here data is nothing but information, and that information, it may be in terms of numbers or it may be in terms of words, and this information will help us to take the decisions. Here you can see one example. The age of 12 teachers in a school are, here they gave some ages of 12 teachers in a particular school. It is some information, data. Sir, how the information? Can anybody please? Sir, yes, this is the information which is there in terms of numbers. Sir, in what way it will help us? With the help of this information, which type of decision will you take? Yes, I said it is the information, and this is information, it is there in terms of numbers, and this information will help us. Now see here we can see the age group better here. 35 ages, 35 age, 43, 38, 45, 32, 54. These are the ages of 12 teachers. And this age, based on this age, that particular principal sir will allot the work for teachers. Like suppose one teacher is 54 years and one teacher is 24 years. Based on their age, that principal sir will take the decision. Yes, here 24 youngsters, which type of work we can allot for those youngsters? 54 some elder people. So which type of work we can allot for this age group people? So this type of decisions principal sir will take. For which age group people, which type of work I can allot. So here also we can see the information, and this will give you, this will help us to take the decisions. Hope it is clear. And we can see better here 35, 43, 38. These are what? Numbers. And these numbers are also called numerical values. What do we call better? Numerical values. Here how many numerical values are there? Sir, we have 12 numerical values. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here we have 12 numerical values. 12 numerical values. I mean numbers. Sir, what do we call this each numerical value? They are called observations. What do we call beta? Observations. Here we can say that 12 observations are there. How many observations? 12 observations. 12 numbers. 12 numerical values. Observation is nothing but each numerical value of the data. What is it here? Each numerical value. Each numerical value of data is called observation. Okay, simply we can say each number of data. Numerical value means number. Each number of data, each numerical value of data is called observation. Here you can see 12 numerical values, 12 numbers. So here the number of observations are 12. Number of observations are 12 beta. Yes. This is about what is data and what is observation. And here you can see one more word which we generally use in this topic, which is frequency. What I said here? Frequency. Sir, what is frequency? You can see here 35 is the age. Repeating how many times? Sir, 35 is there only once. 35, only one teacher is there. Yes. Let me write here ages, and here I can write number of teachers. Number of teachers. 35 age, only one teacher. 43 can see, but any teacher is 43. Yes. Sir, 43 age, like there are two teachers. 38. Sir, there is no teacher with 38. Only one teacher is there. 38, only one teacher. Yes. 45. Even 45 is also only one teacher we can see. 45, one teacher. 32 age also only one teacher. 54 I can see two members. 54 is two members. 39 we can see two members. 39 is two members. More 24 is only one teacher. 31 is only one teacher. These are called frequencies. What do you call beta? Frequencies. Frequency nothing but frequency tells that how many times that observation is repeated. Here we can see 54 is the observation which is repeated how many times? 54 repeated 2 times. Means frequency tells that how many times that particular observation is repeated. Observation is repeated. Here you can see 43 is the observation repeated 2 times. So frequency of 43 is what? 2. Frequency of 43 is 2. And 35 is the observation which repeats only one time. So frequency of 35 is what? 1. So what is mean by frequency beta? Frequency nothing but number of times that particular observation repeated. That particular observation is repeated. Hope it is clear. Frequency means it tells that how many times that observation is repeated. I can say frequency of 35 is only 1. The reason 35 is the age repeated only once. I can say 39, frequency of 39 is 2. 39 is the age repeated 2 times. 39 repeated 2 times. This is about frequency. Hope it is clear. Observation means what beta? Each numerical value of data is called observation. Frequency nothing but number of times that observation is repeated is called frequency. Now tell me what is the frequency of 100? Sir, there is no one with 100 age. The frequency of 100 is 0. Means 100 is not repeating. We can write 0. Yes, children, you can see here. Just now I said here information. Data means information. Handling means arrangement. We can arrange the information easy to understand. So in what way we can arrange to make it easy to understand? Let's see here. Organization of data. How we can organize it? How we can organize it in a systematic order to make it easy way to understand. Let's see here. To draw meaningful conclusion from the data, we have to organize the data in a systematic way. To get the meaningful information, we need to arrange the information in a systematic order. Then only it gives the clear meaning of that particular data, particular information. So here you can arrange in a tabular form by writing ascending or descending order. This process is called tabulation of data. Whatever the information they gave, that information we need to arrange in a systematic order so that it is easy to understand. And how they are going to arrange it seems in a tabular form. Sir, what is in the tabular form? By using table. By using table, they are going to express this information so that it is easy to understand it seems. Let's see one example right here. Marks obtained by 6th students, they give like this. Now here we have some information. Here we have some data, and this information is there in terms of numbers. Marks obtained by 6th students. Now this information is not clear, not meaningful. Sir, why it is not clear, not meaningful? Suppose if I want to know how many they got above 15, I need to count how many are there above 15. If I want to know how many they got below 10 marks, I need to search each and every number. Below 10, how many are there? I want to know how many they got 17 above. We have to search each and every observation. It's not easy to answer these questions. 17 above, below 15, 10 above, below 10. To know the answers from this, it is not easy. It is the time-taking process. But by arranging in a systematic order, we can understand easily. We can tell the answers, how many they got above 10, how many they got below 15. We can answer these type of questions easily without wasting the time. Once we arrange it in a systematic order. Let's see what is systematic order. Here you can see better. You can arrange it either ascending order or in descending order. Let me arrange in ascending order. See what is the least number here. Least number is 7. 7 is the least number. Next one beta. Smallest one is 8. We have 8 also. Next smallest number is 9. We have 9 also. Next, any observation 10 beta? There is no 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 is there with us. 14 and 15 beta? Yes, we have 15. 16 is there 2 times. 16 comma 16. 16, 16, 16. It is there 3 times beta, sorry. Next, 17 is there 2 times. 17, 17. It is 2 times. Then next 18 we can see beta here. 18 is only once. We can write here 18. Next we can see beta here 19 is only once. 19. And 20 is repeating how many times? 2 times. 20 we can write 20 comma 20. Yes. And again I arrange in ascending order, small to big. Now let's see here. We'll write tabular form, marks, and we can see here number of students. Marks and number of students. 7 marks. How many students are secured? 7 marks. Only one student. 8 marks. Only one student. 9 marks. Only one student. 14 marks. One student. 15. Only one student. 16. 3 students are there. 17. Only 2. 18 beta see 18 is 1. 19 is 1. And you can see here 20 and 20. 20 how many they got? 2 members. 20, 2 members. You can see here. This arrangement will give you clear idea about this information. Now we can say easily how many they got. How many they got? Above 15. Yes, I can say above 15. From here we can this all we can add beta. 2 plus. Yes. Here you can see 7 1, 8 1, 9 1, 14 1, 15 1. Above 15 means from here you can add 3 plus to 5, 5 plus 7, 7 plus to 9. Yes. 9 students they got above 15. So like that below 15, 4 students. So when the information is like this systematic order, it is easy to understand. So what I did beta, just whatever the information I know, I written in ascending order. After ascending order, I written in a tabular form by using tables. So that it is easy to understand, we can say what is the lowest mark? 7. How many they got lowest? 7 marks, only one. Highest marks 20. How many they got? 20. Highest 2 students. So this type of questions we can answer easily when it is in systematic order. Let's see what is meant by tally marks. When the number of observations is very large, then the arranging the data in a ascending and descending order is not easy. Here we have only some observations. I written ascending order, then I written in tabular form. Instead of that, you can see here some more number of observations are there. First we need to write ascending order, again tabular form. So it is not easy. Then how can I make it easy? So to make it easy, we take the help of vertical bars. So these type of vertical bars we take with the help of this. We can arrange the information easily when we have more number of observations. And what do we call this vertical bar? It is called tally. What do we call it? Tally marks. Here you can see some example. These are the marks of 60A students. Marks of 60A students. Here you can see more number of observations. Writing ascending order, again tabular form is not easy. So in such case, I said we take the help of vertical bars. I mean tally marks. With the help of the tally marks, we can present it in a table. Let's see how I'm going to present here. First, let me write here marks. First you write here marks. Then you write here tally marks. What we can write here? Tally marks. See what here, especially this tally marks will help us running counting. Suppose in mathematics day we conducted quiz competition. Team A, team B. Suppose here team A there, team B, A 1 point, B 1 point, A, B. Like that. For running counting, we can use the tally marks, especially. Right. And also we can use when we have more number of observations. You can see the marks but here. What is the lowest marks? Anybody 0? Yes. No 0 in that class. 68. Good. So next least mark is 1. Yes. How many they secured 1 marks? You can see right here. 1. More we can see here 1 mark. Any student with 1 mark? Yes. Sir, 1 mark. 2 students are there. How many? 2 students. 1, 2 we can write. Next. Least mark is, next number is 2. How many are there? 2 marks? Yes. 1, 2. That's all. Sir, 2 marks, 2 students. Next 3. How many are there? 3 marks? You can see right here. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Sir, 3 marks. 1, 2, 3. Only 3 members. Next to 4 marks is here. 4 marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 7 students. 1, 2, 3, 4. In tally marks, for every 4 vertical lines, 5th one will make cross. And that also we need to count. See what I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5, 5 will make a group, will make a bunch. 4 vertical lines, for every 4 vertical lines, 5th one is cross. And that also we need to count. Yes. Next mark is 5. See how many they secured 5 marks, we'll see around 5. 5 marks you can see, sir. 1, 2. Yes, you can see here 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 marks, 6 students. 1, 2, 3, 4. For every 4 vertical lines, 5th one cross. And 1 more 6. Now let's go for 6. Let's see how many they secured. 6 marks. Here you can see 1 student. And more I can see 2. Yes, here 3 we can see better 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 members. 1, 2, 3, 4. For every 4 vertical lines, 5th one cross I said 6, 7. So next mark is what better 7. Now let's see how many they got 7 marks. Sir, 1 student, 2, 3, 4, 5, Only 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next mark is 8. Let's see how many they secured 8 marks. Yes, we can see here 1 and more we can see. Yes, 2, 3, 4. Sir, 8 marks for 1, 2, 3, 4. Now next we go for 9 marks. Let's see how many they got 9 marks. Here 1 student, 2 students and 3. Sir, 9 marks, 1, 2, 3. 3 students they secured. And here we can write easily number of students. We can write here number of students also. Here we can see 2. 2 vertical lines, 2. 3 vertical lines, 3. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6. 5, 6, 7 we can write here. Here 5 marks. 5 students are here, 4 we can see. And last one is 3. So this is the way we can arrange the information by using tally marks. Hope it is clear. Sir, why all this arrangement? To make it easy to understand. From here you can say easily how many they got above 4, how many they got below 4, how many they got 9 marks, how many they got least mark. You can answer all these type of questions easily once if you done the proper arrangement. Yes, children, here you can see some problem solving from exercise 9.1 beta. Here they said Catherine threw a dice 40 times and noted the number appearing each time as given shown below. So you know what is meant by dice? 3D figure. It has 6 shapes and all the 6 shapes are like square shape. And each face they number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When we throw a dice, the top face is any one number will get from 1 to 6. Now she thrown like this 40 times it seems. And she noted what she got top face on the first time. First time top face she got 1. Second time throwing she got top face 3. Third time she got top face 5. Like that she noted 40 times. And make a table, enter the data using tally marks. They are asking express this information in a table form by using tally marks itself. You know what about tally marks? We discussed just now, right? And after that they are asking find the number appeared minimum number of times and maximum number of times, and also asking find the numbers that appear equal number of times. First we try to arrange this in a table by using tally marks. Then after we will answer this A, B, C beta. See a solution. This is all what numbers. Yes. First heading we can take here number. I said it has 6 faces, so we'll get any one on the top face. It may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we can see how many times that 1 is repeated. Yes, I can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7. 7 times. Out of 47 times she got the top face is 1 number. So here we can write number of times it appeared. Number of times it appeared. I mean 1 is appeared how many times? We'll see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times it appeared. Yes. You can see better here. Right. You can write here tally marks better. You can write here tally marks. Yes. We write the tally marks here. How much? 7 no? 1, 2, 3, 4. For every 4 vertical lines, 5th class. 5, 6, 7. Next. Second, how many times she got? See? 2 numbers she got here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. Even this one she got 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next you can see what here 3. Next number is 3. How many times you can see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. 3 is there 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next we can see number 4. Number 4 is there here 1 time. 1, 2, 3. More we can see here 4. 4 is there 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next we will see 5 here also repeated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 5 repeated 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 times it is. Every 4 vertical lines, 5th one cross button. Let's see 6 button here. How many times repeating here now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5, 6, 7. It is repeating 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here we can see number of times it appeared. We can write better. Number of times it appeared. Here you can see 7 better. 7 times, 6 times, 5 times, 4 times, 11 times. Here 7 times. Like this, you can draw the table. And you can draw if possible this type of horizontal lines also, so that it gives more clear information. Yes, you can draw like this horizontal lines. Yes. Now you can see by adding this all will get 40 or not. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 18 plus 4, 22. 22 plus 10, 32. 32 plus 1, 33. 33 plus 7, 40. Total how many? 40. Now we'll try to answer this question for here. First we will see A1. Minimum number of times. Now let's see which number is repeating less number of times. Less number of times we have 4. Yes. 4 is the number which appeared less number of times. Minimum number of times means less number of times. Maximum number of times. You can see better which number is appearing maximum number of times. 11 times. Which number? 5. Sir, 5 is the number which appeared maximum number of times. More number of times. So we can write 5. Don't write 11 better. It tells that how many times appeared. Who appeared? This number 5. So 5 is the number which appeared 11 times. So 5 repeated more number of times. Find those numbers that appeared equal number of times. 1, 7 times, 6, 7 times. So these two are the numbers which appeared equal number of times. We can write the answer 1, 6. 1, 6 are the numbers which appeared equal number of times. Both appeared 7 times. That is the way you can arrange the information by using tally marks. Hope it is clear. Yes. Today's session what we learned better? We learned what is data and what is the importance of handling of data and how we can arrange the data by using tally marks. This we learned today class. Let me repeat once. Data is nothing but information. That information it may be in terms of numbers or it may be in terms of words. So why we need to collect the information? To take some decisions, conclusions. And why we need to arrange the information? What is meant by handling? Sir, handling means we need to arrange the information in a systematic order so that which gives the meaningful information, clear information which is easy to understand. Hope this is clear to everyone. Based on this knowledge from exercise 9.1, first one and second one to try to complete in class work. Thank you once again. We will meet next class.